Okay. So hi everyone. My name is Eran Zinman. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Monday.com, together with Roy Mann, my partner and the company CEO. So a little bit about us. So we launched Monday in early 2014. So far, we raised $84 million in capital. We have 220 employees. 40% is R&D. We got offices in Tel Aviv and New York, and we have currently 62,000 paying companies using our service. Our company mission is to drive team to reach their full potential, and this is something that we're very eager about. How to make teams more productive, how to make them more efficient, how to make them better. We're one of the fastest growing companies in the world. We're the fastest growing company in Israel. And this is our revenue growth, as you can see on the left. So in 2016, we've hit $6 million in revenue. We tripled that to 18 in 2017, and more than doubled that to 50 million in 2018. This year, we're going to double again, more than double, and get to 120 million in annual recurring revenue. This quarter, Q1, we added 15 million in annual recurring revenue. And we project that by the end of this year, we'll reach 120,000 paying companies using Monday.com. This is our customer distribution. The product is very horizontal. So we got customers for 145 different countries using the service. Teams ranging from 2 people to 4,000. So this is something that's very unique about our platform. It can be suitable for 2 people, but also 4,000 people on the same account using the service. And another interesting fact is that 70% of our customers are non-tech. The product is not only for tech people, it's actual real people that use the product day to day. And because the product is very horizontal, we have customers across 200 different business verticals using the tool. Currently, the platform is only in English, so 50% of our revenue is coming from the US, but we're expanding into Europe and Asia, and this year we're going to localize the product, which will introduce us to many new, more countries. So what do we do at Monday.com? So Monday.com is work operation system for businesses. And this basically means that we are the core product that businesses run on, and this is where we want to be. Manage the core of what they do, of what makes an impact for their business. So I got a video, 2-minute video that shows our features, so let's watch that.
This is Monday.com. It's a platform that teams use to manage anything, literally anything. Let's start with a board. It's the foundation of the platform. As an example, I'm going to show how a real estate agency uses Monday.com to manage the core of their business. First, add a row for each property in your portfolio. Then we're going to build our process. The first column we'll add is a person column, so we can see which agent is in charge of each property. Columns are the building blocks of your workflow. They are adaptable to any process, no matter the industry or business. Let's add a location column to see where all our properties are, a numbers column for the list price, a date column to keep track of the showings, and a status column to get easy updates. Then there are views. Views let you take data from your board and visualize it in different ways. Use the calendar view to see when your showings are, and click here to see all your locations in a map. Whoa. Filter rows by person, by status, or by any piece of data in the board. Bang! Another one sold! Over 60,000 paying companies love using Monday.com because it's a platform that adjusts to your team's needs. Most people start with a main board to tackle one problem, but soon realize that Monday can support multiple departments. Monday.com integrates with your favorite services like MailChimp, Typeform, Jira, Twilio, Slack, Gmail, Dropbox, Google Drive, Google Calendar. These integrations make Monday.com a hub for the most valuable data in your organization. Integrations in Monday.com take data that was hidden in dark places and makes that data available to everyone in one clear place. You are in a playground of possibilities. There's a huge clothing manufacturer that uses the Forms feature to manage their orders and inventory. They created a form in the platform, embedded it in their website, and now every time a vendor places an order, boom, it just appears in their board with all the details. They've also set up an automation that sends an SMS to a customer as soon as their order is ready. Hey look, a dashboard! Dashboards let managers get key insights and metrics from multiple boards all in one place. You build dashboards by adding widgets and boards to visualize the information that's most important to you. Monday.com is the easiest way for teams to manage anything. It doesn't matter if your team is 5 people or 5,000, this will become the core of your business.
Cool. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the management software market and why are we so excited about the opportunity that we have here. So when people think about management, traditionally what they think of is project management. So in project management space, there's a lot of companies doing project management, such as Trello, Asana, Jira, Rike. I'm sure you heard some of them. But managing projects is just a small aspect of what you do on a day-to-day. Obviously, you need to manage your sales. So there's sales process software like PyDrive, Salesforce, Zoho, Sugar CRM. But what about everything else? What about HR processes, onboarding, recruitment? So we got Bamboo HR, namely SAP. And this is just to name 3 categories. You got process management, you got production manufacturing, and so on. And the problem that we identified is 4 things with this software. One is what we call vertical software. All these software are vertical software required for one specific need. And the problem is that they're all rigid. It's very hard to customize them, predefined. So basically what happens is that you're stuck with this tool and you can't change it from the point that people created the scheme and the data structure and everything else. Number 2, that it's hard to adopt. So all these software, because they're rigid and they plan to be in a certain way, you need to take your team and adapt it to the software, not the other way around. Not like the software is adapt itself to your need. Number 3, that it's a top-to-down decision process. Usually the CTO, the CEO, any other management person need to make the decision to use the software as opposed to bubble it up from the bottom up. And number 4, that it lacks transparency. When people use different software at work, it basically creates silos within the company. Data is hidden from other people. So the people that work in the project management software or in the sales software know the data, but everybody else doesn't have any access to that data. And here I want to explain how we see our vision and why are we so excited, why we feel this is the new generation of software and what we're building with Monday.com. So our product vision is composed of 4 elements. Number 1 is that we build a platform instead of a vertical solution, meaning that you can customize Monday to do whatever you want. It's not forcing you to do anything in a very specific way. It's like the way we like to look at it is like Lego bricks that you can mold any way you want. And also the way that people adopt the tool is different. So people can start with a very simple board that solves a specific problem, and then over time it will adapt into something very complex. Number 2 is that we manage every core aspect of your business. This is a survey that we've done with our customers of what they use Monday.com for. So you can see that this sums up to well over 100% because people use Monday for a lot of things, ranging from projects and tasks, obviously, but production, management, sales pipeline management, roadmap planning, event management, order production, support ticket tracking. So you can see basically that every core aspect of the business is being run on Monday.com. Number 3 is that Monday.com is a hub for all the software that you have in your organization. Basically, we launched an integration platform 3 or 4 months ago, and it's been amazing to see the use cases that our customers have created with this. Monday is the center of your organization. So even if you're using another software to manage a certain aspect of your business, we'll sync all that data back into Monday. This is one use case of one of our customers. They basically connected, they're an e-commerce website that connected Shopify to Monday. So whenever a new order is being placed on their website, it goes into Monday and people can see it, everybody in the organization. But also, whenever they fill an order and want to send a receipt to the customer, they've done an integration through Gmail that send the actual receipt from Monday to that user. So basically, Monday becomes the core of how they run their business. Number 4 is that we got a bottom-up approach, like I've mentioned before. And that means that teams start to use Monday just from a small team. It might be a team of 5 to 10 people. This is an actual example of one of our customers, without mentioning their name. They started using Monday about 1.5 years ago, just seeing us on a Facebook ad, 10 users, $1,200 account, and then over time grew to $750K account, managing all the corporate headquarters. So this is another way of how to build software and how to kind of penetrate the organization from the bottom up. And we feel that we're just starting our journey, and this is why we're so excited. this is the operation system of businesses, and this is the future of how you can run your business. We have one dashboard in our office that we're very proud of. This is how it looks like. People in our company feel like, oh, we've done this amazing achievement of, maybe we'll reach more than $100 million in revenue this year. But we always tell them, this is where we want to get to. And this is like building a tech giant step one. Okay? So this is where we want to go. This is where we are now. So we got a lot of work to do. Thank you.